guys, in today's video we are going to unbox taba squishies. Do you see it? Okay, now let's show it more. So first let's see what's inside of it. So there are this and the pom-poms. I'll put that there. This, decorations for the taba squishy. And more decorations for the taba squishy. This again. That again. Now the taba squishies. It's Chromie. Cinema roll. My Melody. Oh, that's not my Hello Kitty. My Melody. To be fair, it's just the shade. Oh, it's just the shade that is different. So you know, I got a little confused because they're both pink. Okay, whatever. Now there's only one more taba squishy, and I forgot his name. And he's really cute. Cute. And I mean it cute. You see? And I also got a free gift. Here is the free gift. You can't see it completely because of the sticker. Let me see if I can get it off. Yep. No, I can't get it off. Nope, it never works. I don't know why, but there's this again. Another of these. Now, I have to go retrieve my free gift. I'll go do that in a minute. Okay, so now I got my free gift again. Now I'll show you everything again. There. So now, I will open these. For once and for all, I will open these. First, let's open our free gift. It's somewhere in this humongous pile, and I found it. Found it. So now, I will open it. See what is legendary. Actually, I don't think there's anything legendary, but I think there's something nice. I'm gonna grab it. Oh, it won't budge. That's kind of annoying, but whatever. Now it budged, and it's so cute. And it's like super squishy. And it's cute. And it feels really good. I think it's a creamy clay sensation. And I do really like creamy clay sensations. Let me go see if I have that chart. I'll be back in a minute. So I've got my scissors, and I will open. Who do I want to open? Corona. Do you see her again? Okay. Let's open her. This is hard to cut. So now, this is her. This is a really nice stick. So, you heard me. It feels really good. Now let's unbox the others. Oh, she's gotten kind of dirty. It's not too bad. Do you want to see her? She only has a hair. I don't know how people keep these things clean. There. Oh, I don't see it. Nor do you. The hair's too thin. Okay, now it's open. Cinema roll. Don't want to cut her ears off. There. Now I will unbox her. She's a legendary. Okay, she's not. She's just cute. She's cute. Really, Cinnamoroll? Don't mess with me. Cinnamoroll is messing with me. She's being kind of mean to me right now. So Cinnamoroll isn't always the best. Kuromi would be a good girl because she didn't talk like this. Okay, I need to grab her actual ear. Okay, did I ruin her? No, I did not, but she may need a little gluing because of her naughty things that she did. But whatever, she's fine if I don't play with her too hard. Now this is her. You can see her tail. She's very cute. Okay, sorry for all those like, Josh, I need blah, 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 blah. That's just chaos. Chaos. Just please ignore that. Please ignore that. It's annoying. I don't like it either. It's right there. Okay, whatever. Now, let's open our next character. Let's see who she is. Oh, why doesn't Kuromi have a tail? Weird. Whatever his name is. Wait, I think they're missing something. They're missing Pom-Pom-Parin. Now, if I think about it, is his name Ponchaco or something like that? Like, I forgot, but I used to know it, but whatever. Now, I think I have to grab him by his tail. But not like with his body, but with his body too. So that's how I grab these. Oh my god, he's so cute. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, that's him. And yes, I will add the powder later. I'll put him on my Sanrio pile. Do you want to see it? I'll move it. What was that sound? Okay, just ignore that, please. Okay, here's Cinnamoroll, and you can see it like that. I don't know why Ponchaco's there, but whatever. Okay, what's that sound? It's really annoying. Please ignore that. This house is kind of chaos, so just remember that. It's chaos. What is going on? And I don't. Just ignore that. Just ignore that. And I'm not good at ignoring things. Ignoring. Where did my other? Oh, Kuromi's tail fell off. R.I.P. tail. R.I.P. I'll try. Honestly, they look kind of cute with the tail on. Ignore that. Does that look better? Yeah, it needs glue or something. Okay, we'll fix that problem. I don't know when. Okay, whatever. Her tail is not budging. Now, I think that was almost it. Last but not least, the main character. It's best for last. Don't forget, the best for last is a thing. Now I will open her up. Hey, little fun fact. If you want these squishies, get them from foofusquishy.com. And they feel really good. And there's also different sensations. Creamy clay, I don't know. I don't have good memorization, but whatever. Now here is my Melody. She's too cute. Okay, let's put her there. Am I missing somebody in the Sanrio group? I'm definitely missing Pom Pom Purin. Oh. No wonder where the free gift was. Now, do you think that's a lot of powder? That's a lot of powder. And it only came with, it's meant to go with, I don't know, 4 characters, but 5 characters. So am I missing somebody? Am I missing a character? Where did the other character go? Okay, whatever. Let's ignore that for now. Now I will bring the whole group and powder them. Oh, you can't see it, but I'll make you see it now. There. So, let's do some ASMR. Let me go get the camera ready. So now I have opened this and I will start putting it on. It's getting a bit messy. Oh, there. There. Now, their tails are breaking off. Sorry about that. I'll lay them back so their backs can get covered. Okay, so I only have one arm because nothing would budge to hold this camera. So now let's resume to say some more. Sorry if the camera's bad. Don't worry, I will shave all of this at the end. Well, not all of it, but most of it, because I added way too much. Oh, little guy. Little guy. His back needs to get furry. So now, what's that? There's a lot of powder. I don't know why Kuromi's so tough on me. And the tail is sort of sticking. And Cinnamoroll is not doing too well. Now, their backs are good. Need more. There. This one's too tiny. I added way too much. Now, my Melody, that is good. Kuromi, that is also good. Okay, I did look creepy. Now, it feels much better. And it feels really good. Yes, I know that her tail is falling off. It is disturbing. And it feels really good. At least this one survived a bit. Now I have to get the camera back in place again. Okay, give me a moment to do that. But what? So now, I want to show you a lump of stuff. And yes, these are already covered and my Melody feels the best. And I don't know why my Melody particularly feels the best, but it just feels good. Okay, it's very, very creepy for the millionth time I said this, and yes, it probably is annoying. And it's falling off. Let's see. Okay, I hate these blow noises thing. Now, Kuromi's tail is also falling off. No, he is perfectly fine. Is his name Ponchaco? Is his name Ponchaco? Because I think it is. Wait, is my Melody going to hold this fish? Oh, no, she dropped it. Let's see if anybody would like to eat this in real world. Oh, Ponchaco wants to. Okay, whatever. He's eating it. Guys, if this video gets over 10, guys, I just really want at least 5 subscribers. And if I do get that, then I will put these into slime. So, I'll put the cutest things in the world into slime. Well, I'll actually do this with a different type of squishy, if you won't mind. I'll maybe do a clear one. And are you curious about putting them in slime? Well, then go tap that subscribe button for me. Okay, thanks. So now, this type of squishy is over. Wait, there's stuff on my face. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.